Ever wondered how IT and OT can work together for improved efficiency? Let's dive into the fascinating world of IT-OT convergence. Imagine a world where traditionally distinct systems of information technology, or IT, and operational technology, or OT, work in unison. This is what IT-OT convergence is all about. It's like a symphony orchestra where every instrument, though different, contributes to a harmonious melody. Picture this. IoT integration. It's like a symphony of computers, servers, sensors, and actuators all working together. These IT and OT devices are connected, gathering real-time data for better decision-making. It's as if every device is a player, and the music they make together is the data driving your business decisions. Now, consider the role of cloud computing for OT. It's like a vast, infinite sky where operational data can be stored and analyzed. This facilitates scalability and accessibility, allowing your business to grow and reach new heights. It's as if your operations are a hot air balloon, and the cloud is the limitless sky it can explore. Then there's the challenge of cybersecurity. Unified cybersecurity measures across IT and OT are like the castle walls protecting against the siege of cyber threats. They ensure the integrity of critical systems, keeping the metaphorical kingdom secure. Think about data analytics in operations. It's like using a magnifying glass to scrutinize the intricate patterns of operational data. IT tools are leveraged to analyze large sets of data, revealing insights that can enhance efficiency and productivity. It's as if you're a detective, and the clues you uncover can solve the mystery of how to optimize your business. Lastly, imagine unified communication platforms. They're like a network of roads connecting IT communication tools with OT communication devices. This seamless collaboration is like a city where every road, every alley, every highway leads to a place of progress and innovation. In essence, IT-OT convergence is about breaking down silos, enhancing communication, and leveraging technology synergies. It's like a well-oiled machine where every cog, every gear, every wheel works in harmony for effective and streamlined operations. So, the next time you see a symphony orchestra, a hot air balloon, a castle, a detective magnifying glass, or even a city, remember, they're more than just metaphors. They represent the incredible world of IT-OT convergence, an approach that is transforming businesses and industries and shaping the future of technology.